Hi friends, this is your fish coach, and this is my first video, and in this particular channel I'll be sharing all my inputs on the biofloc method of fish farming. Well, it's I would say a unhighlighted method of fish farming that I've been doing since years, and now I felt like I would share my views on this. So here we have this tank, and it's a water tank of 30,000 liter capacity. Currently, if I tell about the biomass, the total fishes in the tank, that's around 1,300 kilograms inside just this one tank. So the best part is it's really cheap to construct, and the production is really high if you'll compare it with the other methods. Okay, and if I compare it with the RAS technology, well, we don't need any kind of filtration system. If you'll compare it with that, you just need a aeration. That's the aeration, that's the air coming in from these pipes and then going in the air tubes. I'll give you a look of the air tube. Well, if I talk about the construction of this tank, well, it's made out of a tarpaulin and a iron mesh and a green insulation mat. So these three things make the biofloc tank, and it's really handy. Like, it can be made anywhere in any part of the world. And this is the air tube. If you can have a look, it just generates the micro bubbles so that the oxygen levels really can spike in such a maritime. So if I'll also get you a look of the fishes. We are also harvesting our fishes today. We are selling it in the market. So well, if I have you a look of the color of the tank, well, it's brownish color, and we need that color. It's not like the water is not clean. No, it's really healthy for fishes, as this particular floc is the food for the fishes. Okay, so what this floc does is, this bacteria eats the fish waste and converts it back into the protein cells. So this way all the filtration and all the maintenance of the parameters is being done biologically, and this way we don't need any kind of filtration systems. The electricity consumption is really low. And blue fish nikalo. I'll give you a look of the fishes. We just lowered the water, and here, if you can have a look of the fish. Oh, so this is called Vietnam koi, and we culture it in a big scale here. The price is really high here in India. So we also have tilapias, and we also have other native Indian species that we culture. And in this part of in this method of fish farming, you can culture any fish. Okay, let it be any freshwater fish, it can be done here. And the 80% cost of the fish farming is the feed cost, and this biofloc solves that problem. It only, you only need such a low amount of feed, and you can make such big fishes out of that. So this way you get the most out of the land. If I also talk about the running expenditure, well, you just need a small motor. If I talk about this whole setup, that's being run just by this motor, and that's a 3 horsepower of motor, air motor, that's operating this whole biofloc setup. So that's in this video, and I'll also share you the other key points or my experience in the upcoming fresh new videos. So please do like and subscribe so that I'll get to know that the people are watching, and if I get the positive responses, I'll upload in the weekly basis. So thank you so much guys, have a good day.